how to turn on two-step verification on Godaddy, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn it on. First open your browser and then click account settings. Now click my profile and then scroll down until you find here login and pin. And here we'll find two-step verification. Now all you need to do, just click add verification, select anything you want here and click next, and then type your number and then click next. Then just wait for it, and that's it. Just keep managing it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.